event streaming is part of event sourcing because it's just about like streaming the events and doing whatever you want with it. With event sourcing, it's actually a source of truth. So it's what I said earlier. For me, it's really the ability to base yourself on that and be able to reread it constantly. And the fact that it's something that is going to evolve based on itself, like you're going to have event handlers that can either create a projection or that can just react to a specific event, send a new command to generate another event, maybe. Meanwhile, doing something else, maybe on a third-party system.
Yeah, so what we see is, indeed, even streaming is like pushing information towards event handlers, let's say, in a very efficient way, and the event handlers do whatever they want with the notification, with the event. It could be like re-aggregating information to create another stream, or writing to a database to create a projection, or like you said, putting something into a process manager. This is really the streaming part. And in event sourcing, we see that actually you're storing, like you said, everything that happened in your system in what we call event, which is something that represents a change in the system, right? And based on that, on those changes, you can actually, and a lot of people forget about this, but with the history of a specific aggregate, which is written in the log of events, you can actually rebuild your aggregate state and take decision based on that state. And that's why other products, for instance, than the Axon product, you can't do this with other products, like really driving your aggregate and take a decision based on that. And this is the two part for me of event sourcing, taking a decision based on what happened already, and then rebuilding, being able to rebuild your query model, right?
Yeah.
So very interesting way. Thank you for this, Laurent.